Wika laban dapat malagahan at pag-aralan. Wikang Pilipino ba?
Wikang Ingles.
Magandang umaga po. Ang aming pagbati. Okasyon po ito'y sadyang natatangi. Isang palagtasang may kakaibang uri. Dito sa Luzon lamang mangyayari. It will be the first time in our history two people will debate with rhymes and poetry. And the main objective for each of us to see the power of language and its hiding beauty. Kung kaya ang paksa na pag-uusapan ay matagal na rin pinagtatalunan. Anong wika nga ba ang dapat pahalagahan? Ang wikang hiram ba o ang sinagisnan? My name is Marcy Mulito, designated as judge. My task is to supervise and later to decide. And since I was not to prolong your agony, listen and contemplate the best of poetry. Natural honor ko po ang aking pangalan, tagapagtanggol ng wikang sinagisnan. Kausap ang club na kinabibilangan, wikang Pilipinong handang ipaglaban.
National Miranda, fourth-year student. My process is to prove that English is the best. Matter of English problems. Speaking English is my one true love.
Kaya niyo ako ang sinama na. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, Pilipino ka ba? Dahil ang tulad mo, matalino sana, subalit sa malas ay utak sa niyaga. Sapagkat ikay isang Pilipino, di sana kung gayon ikay kasapuso. Hindi tulad ng dalawang animal ay ang hindi mo maka-Amerikano.
By heart to my heart, I am a Filipino. And I love this country just the way it is. That nationalism is not allowing it to lose. We should be practical for all life to go west. As mentioned in the stage of globalization, English will be our tool for communication. We did not just study Filipino language. It's goals to use English in a search for knowledge.
Isang kagawa ng iyong tinguran. Mismong wika natin ay kalilimutan. Kung ang lahat ng Pinoy ang utak ay ganyan, mas lalo kawawa itong ating bayan. Ang hindi magmahal sa kanyang salita, dapat igisa sa kanyang mantika. Kung Pilipino ka sa isip at gawa, patunayan mo rin maging sa salita.
In chemistry, physics, biology, and math, Filipino language is surely not enough. For better comprehension and to avoid confusion, English will be the only solution. Modern technologies are printed in English. Translation will take time for us to accomplish. And if you would like this country to disappear, Filipino should try to teach English better.
Sa matematika at kahit sa agham, terminolohiya ay maaaring matunggalan. Lahat ng salita ay pwedeng matapatan. Kung pagbisikapan ngayon masimulan. Kung may urian ng wikang pagbansa, ang mga pinunong magpapasimula, pwede mag-invento ng bagong salita, gagamitin hanggang makasanayan na.
Your idea is good, but it's may not be sound. And to tell you frankly, I find it so absurd. As an Ilonggo or Cebuano, they do not understand wikang Filipino. We can just rely on the Filipino language. Using dialect is our disadvantage. For practicality and to achieve unity, English should be our first priority.
Wikang Pilipino ang tayong pag-asa, upang tayong lahat ngayon magkaisa. Makamtan ng bansa at tunay na paglaya, at di sa dayuhay palaging umasa. Nagkawatak-watak tayong Pilipino, Ingles ang ginamit at siyang instrumento. Itong diwang kolonyal, tanim ng mga dayuhan, inaani natin ngayon ay kahirapan.
If our people were poor, then blame the government for the hub of the nation. But the English language cannot be the concept. In fact, it is a must that people should learn it. Our ability to progress is the English language. Unlike other nations, it is an advantage. Fluency in English upper migrant workers is fully appreciated by foreign employers.
Balugod na naman ang iyong kaswiran na magpaalipin sa mga dayuhan. Sa tono ng pangungusap ko ngayon, na itong matulad sa inyong pagkuklasyon. Aanhin ng Ingles kung ikay alipin. Sa araw-araw ay may among susundin. Pagka Pilipino, huwag mong pababain. Dahil kayo manggi ay angat natin.
I am not done winning the race I belong. Can you not understand what is discussing all of us? The party number one is the tide of progress. Fluency in English is really the best.
Inisulat natin ay akong rule na itumiyaw sa halip tumahul. Huwag natin hayaang lalo pang masakad itong kinabit ng diwang kolonyal.
Sadyang umiinit itong
races. Japan proved to us with this academy, relying on its language, it became a rich country. And then we had China, Thailand, and Malaysia. Using their native tongue, they dominate Asia. We Filipinos should appreciate our own to liberate ourselves from alien subversion.
Kasinungalingan ang iyong sinuran. Nang dahil sa US umunlad ang Japan, kahit gamit nila ang sariling wika, tinulungan din ng Amerika. At kahit ang China, huwag mong ipagmayabang. Kumulit bumagsak, kamakailan lamang. Pati sila ngayon nais mag-Ingles, at kapitalismo ang siyang ninanais.
Capitalism is the root of evil. People are exploited evidently through real. And the English language that I'm using now discriminates people with no power. The knowledge in English is not a measurement of a person's intellect or a cultural achievement. For us Filipinos, it is a manifest when how we grow